Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining me today in this daily live market analysis on Fxklex. I'm your mentor, Harlan, and then this analysis is for this market, which is October 6th, Tuesday. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I have right here on my chart. That's the market I am watching out for right here. So I'm going to show you guys my screen right now. So yeah, I am right here on my chart, and then I'm gonna be, giving analysis about the currency pairs, the markets I'm watching, the energy market, the metals market, as well the stocks market, what I can figure out going on in the market, technically and fundamentally what is going on as a trader, what are our expectation, what are the markets we should pay close attention to currently at the moment. So I got the crypto market, I have the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, and then I share the market analysis about this on crypto. That was all yesterday. There's a live market analysis I held yesterday. If you missed the market analysis, there is no video on that. There is a recorded a video. It was a live market analysis, but there's a copy of it on this YouTube channel. You can navigate on my channel so you can go through over. So I have the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is still in the process of transformation in a symmetrical triangle. We can see that right now. So there isn't much on the crypto market at the moment, but the kind of pattern we can figure out right here now has high probability to lead into a bullish breakout. We're in in an upward trend right from the swing low right here. I'm gonna have this right here from the swing low right here. We got a massive upward rally, and then we got a transformation of trend in a symmetrical triangle before we got a bullish upward rally trend here. And then we can see at the moment right now, price is currently going through a short symmetrical triangle, and this symmetrical triangle right here has high probability to lead into a bullish upward rally for the Bitcoin. So this is based on technical analysis, what I can figure out in the market technically. I am not saying it's well guaranteed. So nothing is impossible in the market. So our obligation as a price action trader is to pay close attention to study this market, to see how this pattern is gonna break out. Maybe it's gonna be a bullish breakout, or maybe it's gonna be a bearish breakout. But the key idea right here, you have to pay close attention and then put into consideration the market on the Bitcoin is still on a bullish rally based on this time frame right here. And then we can see the key level structure of the price of the 10,405.61, which was a resistance structure right there, is still holding price right there. And then currently it's serving as a support for the current price action on the Bitcoin market. So that is what I have on the Bitcoin right here. And then I got the Ethereum as well. Ethereum, it's like the twins brother of the Bitcoin. They both have the same pattern on the daily chart frame. You can see right here, there isn't much happening on the Ethereum market. So you just have to pay close attention right there. If you can figure out a bullish breakout upside of this pattern right there, then you look out for a bullish price action in order to anticipate for more bullish upward rally right here. And then we can see from the swing low right here upward rally, we got a high swings of the Ethereum. That was the price level of the 489.65. And this is then Ethereum has depreciated in value, and currently right now it is trading at the price level of 350. Is it right here? So pay close attention to the crypto world if you are the crypto trader. So this is what is happening right now at the crypto market. I always emphasize, I trade crypto based on ownership. I hold Bitcoin or Ethereum. I don't speculate the price due to the high volatility. So I feel comfortable to hold the asset, ownership of this coin. So that is what I can figure out on the crypto market at the moment right now. I'm not doing anything on the crypto market. I'm not investing in the crypto market. I'm just watching out to see the next direction of the movement of the crypto market. So these are the major crypto market I watch, the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So next I got right there, I have the gold. That is a gold precious metal, the king. That is a gold XAU paired against the ULZ. Yesterday, I discussed about the daily close above the key level structure, which acts at the price level of the 1,902.743. I said, if we can see a bullish close above this key level structure right there, it has high probability to interest the buyers. And then we can see this was the key level structure which rejected price. That was a midpoint of August of 2020. We can see how this level structure had been acting as a support for trend for price actions right here. That is the key level structure of the 1902.743. We can see the kind of reduction in the bullish momentum, but we were able to figure out a bullish close of bar above this key level structure. But at the moment right now, I am still not no, yet convenient with the kind of bullish close we had at the key level structure right there. It's a mild volume, not a very strong volume, there isn't much liquidity in the good right now. So I'm still paying a close attention to see maybe if price can actually get to this dynamic structure right there, which was a resistance right there as a low high swings right there. We got a low high swings right there. We got a low high swings right there. Maybe price is actually gonna repeat past historical record. Maybe we're gonna add a low high swings right there. If that should occur right here, you can actually look out for a bearish price action signal before you're gonna go short. But you got to take very, very careful before, because we have a key level structure right there which can act as an entrance for the bears to pull price downward. So look out for a bearish price action. We can see right there we got a bearish engulfing bar at a key level resistance, and then right a bearish pin bar, and then double bearish pin bar right there. So look out for a bearish structure right there. And then again, you have to pay close attention to the key level structure rejection zones which acts right here. Can see that. So pay close attention to the key level structure, and then that should be at the price level of the 1937.508. That is on the XAU paired against the ULC. That is the gold. So I got a silver here as well. I got a receiver right here, same structure, same pattern on the gold and the silver. They have like a twin spreader. So the direction of gold, silver has tendency to move in the same direction of the gold as well. So now on the oil market, that is the US market. We can see currently right now, price is actually still in a state of movement within the range. But what I can figure out right now, there is a high tendency, this structure right here, to lead into a double bottom for a reversal of this bearish implication of this narrow rising wedge right here. I got a key level structure right here. This key level structure right here has high probability to act as a resistance for this key level structure, which acts right here. Key level resistance for this pattern, which acts right here, which is a double bottom. A double bottom, it's a signal of a bullish interest. So, and then there's something I want to show you guys based on the fundamental factors in the market, about the news factors which is going on in the oil market right now. So let's check what is going on. We can see right here, based on the market watch, there is a news right here. We can see Wall Street sees bidding with speeding US shift to clean energy. So at the moment right now, investors are already betting on the cleaner companies. That is just like Tesla. That means investors are really investing in clean source of energy right now. The future of energy right now is in the clean source of energy. That's the electric cars. We got the solar energy. So this is where investors are shifting to right now. So investors are really optimistic about the cleaner source energy company. So, and that is why you have to pay close attention to this Tesla stocks. If you are trading the stocks, you have to pay close attention to energy companies, pay close attention to their stocks. So because there is high tendency for the energy company to do so very, very well in the next coming years. In fact, I'm looking out to have an investment based on a long-term investment on the tech companies like energy companies, like automobile companies like tech companies or Tesla companies, companies who are already venturing into electricity or cars, electricity or automobile. So you have to pay close attention to that, and this can have effect. This has a probability to have effect on the oil market, because there will be less demand on oil industry. There will be less demand on oil energy, and this could actually affect the price of oil. Actually, this is gonna be based on long-term investment plan. So I am currently looking out for investment opportunity in the tech company, especially in the automobile industry, which actually are venturing into electric powered cars. So I don't mean right now, I'm still watching the US oil to see how price react to the key level structure, which acts at the price level of the 41.28. So that's my personal view, personal opinion on the US oil market. I want to patiently watch to see how price react to this key level structure right there. We can see the key level structure right there is actually a resistance structure right there, a series of rejection right there, and then a resistance structure right there. So this structure of the price level of the 41.00 has high probability to reverse the trend downward. So pay a close attention. I am not guaranteeing you, giving a guarantee this key level structure is going to actually act as a resistance structure, but it does has high probability to act as a resistance structure. So next, right here on our watch list, I got a British pound sterling against the ULZ. Currently right now, the US currency, that is the USD, is currently doing so far good, doing good. After there was a news release about Donald Trump's health, you can see right here, based on the market watch, shares rise in Asia on hopes for US stimulus as Trump leaves hospital. So Donald Trump, the president of the United States of America, is doing good right now, and he has been discharged from the hospital. And after the news outbreak, there was an increase, there was an appreciation in the US currency pairs. And then this is what is happening right now. And this is constituting a lot of bullish sentiment on the US currency pairs. We can see right now on the British pound sterling against the ULZ, actually, there wasn't much movement today. And then we are still waiting for the UX section. And this is a 4-hour chart frame right here. You can see there isn't much right here, but I am focusing all my attention based on the euro paid against the ULZ. But on the British pound sterling against the ULZ right here, there is something I want to show you guys. Price is currently at a very important key level structure, which you guys have to pay close attention to. We can see the support structure right here, rejection structure right there. So price is currently struggling to break out of the key level structure of the 1.29930. So pay close attention to this key level structure, figure out how price react to this key level structure before you actually go. Maybe you're gonna bullish, or maybe you're gonna be in a bearish sentiment. But at the moment right now, I can see still the British pound sterling against the ULZ is still in the bullish swings, in a bullish wave. I mean, right from the swing low right here, we can see the series of high low swings, high low swings, high low swings. So this bullish pattern right there is still active. It's not yet void by the bears. So you have to pay close attention right here. And then again, I want to share with you guys as well that is the euro pair against the USD. I am monitoring this currency pairs right here, and then based on the 4-hour chart frame, here is a trend right here, and then based on the daily chart frame, if I should right here, you can see price is currently trading at the dynamic of this rising channel right here. Even though the slope of this rising channel is very, very low, we can see right here price is currently trading, trading at the key level support of this dynamic channel. So you got to pay a close attention to this dynamic support. A close of bar above this key level structure today, it's a signal, it's an indication the bulls are willing to put price more upward. And then don't be surprised, this eyes structure swing low right there has high probability to constitute into a false breakout, like I did gave the analysis yesterday. So pay close attention to the euro paired against the ULZ and figure out how price is going to react to this level structure today. Maybe price is going to have a daily close, and then I can see how price is reacting to the key level structure of the 1.17122, which is a key level structure support right here, and then right now acting as a nice, decent, defined support structure for the price of the euro paid against the ULZ, and the price is currently struggling to break out of the dynamic support right there. So let's see, maybe this dynamic support of the rising channel right here is going to actually act as a what? As a new dynamic resistance for the euro paid against the USD right here. So if we can figure out a rejection of price from this structure right here, we still need to figure out a close of bar below this key level structure of the 1.17122 before we can actually anticipate for a bearish downward trend. So that is what I have on the euro paid against the ULZ. Remember, this is not based on a financial or investment advice. It's based on my personal opinion. So the next I want to share with you guys right here, I got the USD paired against the Japanese yen. Nothing, open right here. The market is not open right here because I can figure out right here, there's a kind of a choppy market right here. I don't like to trade in a kind of choppy market like this. So if I should view based on their monthly chart frame, I already shared this with my VIP members community about what I am looking out to on this currency pairs based on their monthly chart frame. So here is the monthly chart frame right here. You can see based on the monthly chart frame right here, we got a pattern, which is what? A symmetrical triangle. So price is still struggling to break out of this symmetrical triangle right here. And currently at the moment, you have to pay a close attention. Price is currently approaching the apex. In fact, price is at the apex of this pattern right there. So you have to pay close attention. There's high tendency, for volatility, liquid, volume to increase for a breakout of this pattern right there. And then this is gonna actually based on the monthly close of bar. So I'm still gonna pay close attention to the USD paired against the Japanese yen based on the higher time frame. So maybe you're gonna figure out a breakout of price in the month of October to lead for a more maybe bearish or bullish sentiment for the month of November to December or next coming year 2021. So that is what I have on the USD paired against the Japanese yen. And then let's check the USD paired against the Canadian dollar right here, based on the daily chart frame, And then price is actually ensuring a close of bar below the rising trend line, right from the swing low of this currency pairs. We got a swing high low, and then we can see price is actually ensuring a daily close of bearish bar. But take note, price still need to ensure a daily close below this key level structure right there. You can see the well-defined key level structure, a support structure right here, a resistance structure right here, a rejection zone, and the price is currently still finding difficult to break into a more bearish downward trend on the USD paired against the Canadian dollar based on the daily chart frame. So look out for a strong bearish move downward to close below the key level structure of the 1.32500. So the next I am watching out for on this list, or the next currency pairs I have right here. Let's check the USD against the switch. Here's the USD paired against the switch. I gave this analysis yesterday, and I said this bullish movement right here. We got a movement right downward, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. A failure for the boost to defend this level right here, and then I wouldn't be surprised the USD pair against the switch has high probability to depreciate downward to the next key level structure of the 0.90500. So this is what I have on the switch. So pay close attention. Any trade I want to take on any of the currency pairs I'm watching right here, I'm going to share with the VIP members community of mine. And then I have the Australian dollar paired against the USD. So price is currently finding it difficult to break out of the key level structure right here. Can see as a support right here. We had a decisive break bearish close right here, and then price is currently finding the break out of the key level structure of the what 0.72000. So pay close attention to this key level structure. If price can ensure a daily close above this key level structure, the next level we have to pay close attention to is the dynamic structure right here. Okay, so and then let's check on the last currency pairs on my watch list. I'm going to show you guys as well some stocks I'm watching. And then I have the New Zealand right here. New Zealand paired against the USD. Price is currently closing above the rising channel right here. Can see from the swing high right here, swing low. We got a movement. So the bullish are still active, the bulls are still active on the New Zealand paired against the USD. And then let's check another currency pairs. So let's check on the stocks. I got Tesla right here. So I gave analysis about the Tesla, and I said I am paying a close attention to the Tesla. Paying attention to one of the future stock, you have to watch out for. One of the tech stock market you have to look out for long-term investment opportunity is the Tesla. And that is why I'm monitoring the Tesla stocks. Because right now, the future, the world is gradually changing into cleaner source of energy to electricity-powered automobiles. And then Tesla is a giant in automobile electricity-powered companies. So this is why I'm paying close attention to these stocks to see if I can figure out a bullish price action buy, if I can figure out the best structure to add to my position on this stock, so I can accumulate, build more of my profit in my trading portfolio. So this is what I have for you guys. If you have a question for me, if you have any suggestion, any comments, you please put down on this YouTube channel. So, and I'm going to be very, very happy to give response to all your comments, questions. Okay. And then if you haven't joined my free forex trading webinar class, which I do hold, that is 2 times in a week. That is every Tuesday and then Saturday. There's an opportunity for you to join. Click at the link at the bottom of this video. I left a link at the bottom of this video. Click on that link so you can become a member today. And then If you are looking out for reliable, honest, transparent brokerage firm, I left a link at the bottom of this video as well. Click on that link so you can start trading on a reliable, honest brokerage firm today. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for visiting, and thanks you for joining me today. And then do not forget to join right here. That is tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is going to be currently going to be holding this live market analysis every day. That is a 1 p.m. GMT plus 1. So always make sure you don't miss out. So guys, do have a wonderful day. Peace.